There's no way I can do the audition or Jellyzania. But you're Nova Jones. You should be scared of anything. Well, exactly, Wait, what, Blop? Hi. I'm Avone. As in, Nova spelled backwards. A-V-O-N. Avon. It's Avone.
The Space Fair mirror.
Careful. You don't want to get sucked into the mirror world. I'm joking. That's not possible. So, are you really, really famous here or what? I usually had about 10 more reelies. Are you not famous? No, I'm your reflection. Some stuff the same, some totally opposite. Opposite how? Like, what number am I thinking of? One. Because why would you think of any number that isn't number one? Salad. Terrible or tasty? Totally tasty. What's your best selfie face? What's your fave thing to do when bored? Shout my sister's name really loud? Same. Johnnicky. Rubbish or radical? Okay, enough of that. I think it's time these twinnies had some fun. The plan. We stay connected, we go on Boodle Beacon together, sing my song together, be amazing, astound the universe, win.
Hooray! I love singing. Just makes me want to sing.
My home where I was born and raised, hey, yo, the north of space, where everybody knows your face, hey, yo, the north of space. Memories from the past, running barefoot in the grass. My home where I was born and raised, hey, yo, the north of space.
Change of plan. Neither of us are going on Boodle Beacon. We'll never win with you singing like that. No way. Your singing's all shanty-ish, like a fisherman singing. Your singing smells like old fish. Not how you perform bestest.
Oh, I never thought to perform bestest. How do you perform bestest?
It's easy. You do it like this.
You may show how that, please do.
Welcome to lesson 1 of how to perform exactly like Nova. Let's master the basics. Tantrums. You must tantrum. Like this!
Okay, so like this.
Remember, tantrums are a means to get what we want. We must tantrum to make sure everyone focuses on us. Try like this! Nova, that was a grade A hissy fit on the tantrum scale. Now, lesson number 2. Unreasonable demands on McLaren.
McLaren, I refuse to eat these gummies. They're all old flavors. Bring me a bowl of gummies that are a brand new flavor.
You know, Nova, maybe Neve is fine the way she is.
Gummies! No!
Right away. Reasonable demands while tantruming. You're an excellent student, which makes me an excellent mentor. Right, you little.
They say sticks and stones may break my bones, but words could never hurt me. Didn't you know I'm unbreakable? You're sitting there like a wannabe, behind the keyboard, acting hard, trying to pretend that you're so lost, when really you got nothing better to do. I really don't want to hear you talk at all. It's outrageous, irresponsible. Did your mama not teach you respect at all? Outrageous, it's horrible. No wonder you're starting to drink so small. You're jealous, understandable, but what you're saying is laughable. Yeah, I'm so in my bubble. Your opinion don't really matter at all. Home alone, typing your lies, wasting your time trying to hurt me. Lie on my phone, don't be surprised when I don't reply. I can see you trying to troll me. I feel sorry for you, 'cause it won't get through. I just ignore it. You're going down, down, no messing around. You're going down, down, cause I wear the crown. Yeah, I can see you trying to troll me. I feel sorry for you, cause it won't get through. I just ignore it.
Hey.
Am I getting smaller, or is that troll getting bigger?
I do not put my sister in danger because I can't fight my own internet battles.
Oh, it is getting bigger. That's Dobbins.
Stop it, I've got 9 more verses. Wait, that troll is getting bigger.
Spiggle's got nothing.
I'm not a lobster in a human costume. That's obvious, isn't it? McLaren! Give that back! Sure.
Do you mind? I've just redecorated. Honestly, you giants.
Giants? I'm normal-sized.
I'll have you know, I'm entirely normal-sized, young lady.
I just rescued you.
Rescued? All you've done is broken a perfectly good lamp. What's going on? Where's Dee? Why is he shaking?
Nobody told me having fans would be so exhausting. I've been responding for 2 days, too, but they always want more. When is the captain supposed to nap?
See? This is why people need managers, to make those boundaries. I do it for Nova with the Nova lights.
Not like she notices.
Sorry, here's me complaining about my diva when yours trapped you in here.
What? No, Dee can't focus for more than 5 minutes, let alone carry out an evil kidnapping plan.
Sounds familiar. Why keep you a secret then?
Everyone adored Dee. Time moved on. Music changed. Fandoms fade. Soon, no one even remembered her name. She loved being a legend. The queen of diva fu. And I am super fast. Super strong. I am diva fu.
Yes, I knew I saw something. That was you.
Try it. Wish for something.
Sleeping mask in a blanket. Yes!
This is ridiculous. I'm the biggest pop star in the universe. I'm the best. The most stupendous. How am I supposed to? What are you laughing at?
The copying you exactly.
They're supposed to be dancing with me. If we all do the same thing, then it just gets... Yes. Very No O, no va, no R, just And now this has appeared on Spaceogram.
How did they get a hold of that?
I just posted it. What, am I not supposed to share every experience I have online? No. This is the worst day of my life. My whole existence as a pop icon is gonna explode. Like that. The biggest nightmare ever. Including that big nightmare I had where my nose took over my face. Useless internet. Useless dance moves. What's that?
Reaction time. Invalid. Still a lot to solve.
What is going on?
Hello? Bit of trouble over here. We were passing a baby planet.
Oh no, not a baby planet!
She's woken up and she has really got the grumps.
Oh, yeah, super cute. But you know how cuteness goes? Sometimes it's like a hidden in mittens named Quilt.
No.
She's also massive. I think her tantrum's going to affect the Jeffersons' gravity.
No, I think the gravity is...
Oh dear.
Must stop humming. Focus on something. Anything. The galumper sheds its skin 12 times before realizing it liked its first skin best. Did something move? The Eller Davis moth has the biggest brain in the universe, but is afflicted with the smallest head. Whoa, you're a worm. From my ear. You must be an earworm. But you can't be real, because Captain said you weren't.
Oh, I'm real. Real annoyed. There's no room for me in that noggin of yours. Not when it's all stuffed so full of oddball animal facts.
Wow! Amazing! My own oddball animal. I hereby name you Sidus Earwormus.
My name's Audrey, mate.
Hereby name you Audrey.
La di di da 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 da.
La 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 la. Come out there once. Ugh, you. I mean, hey. Yes, yes, that's it. Didn't know you were musical. Come on in.
What is ugly anyway? Who do you think you are to say? Yeah, you don't get to decide. It's all about what's inside. I see a sparkle in your eyes they couldn't match. A personality they only wish they could have. Yeah, you know you're a true work of art. Don't let the hurt get inside your heart, 'cause the ugliest people say the ugliest things. What is ugly anyway? Who do you think you are to say? Yeah, you don't get to decide.
You don't get to decide.
It's all about what's inside. Does anybody even care what you look like, what you wear? Does anybody even know the beauty that lies deep down in your soul? What is ugly anyway? Who do you think you are to say? Yeah, you don't get to decide.
You don't get to decide.
It's all about what's inside.
It's all about what's inside.